I'm already all dirty and I haven't even started working. But I have something special in store for you today. We have some extra supplies from our concrete countertop. So without further ado, we're gonna make an awesome coffee table. But it's not gonna be a regular coffee table. It'll be special. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and the bell so you never miss a video from us. Forgot the whole dang purpose of this, which is to have a hole in the center for the planter. Luckily I just put the glue on so I can wipe it all off. Hey, we still got work to do. I cannot wait to remove these forms. So I'm not gonna. Let's remove them. I'm so excited and so nervous. I knew there'd be some issues here because we poured in like 2 different days and the first layer was really clumpy. I literally have 10 minutes before I have to pick up my son from school, and I'm gonna try to mix up some of this concrete patch and see if I can apply it in 10 minutes, or how much I can apply, I guess. So I took these legs off the old coffee table we made, and I'm going to cut them in half and make new legs. So this is the base of the table, and I'm going to take these that I cut down and put them on the corner so it'll look like a big bulky leg, but it'll still be attached to this and have more support. So this table has been sitting upside down for a minute, so it has some stains and the top's just not perfect, just like the countertops. So I'm gonna try to sand it out and see everything that'll come out. It's time to seal this baby. I have the sealing system. I'm gonna mix it up. I think it's 4 parts to 1 part in this and roll it on, and then we'll be pretty much done. So here is the outdoor coffee table all finished. This centerpiece is to be kind of exchangeable. So we can take the plants out and use it as like a trough with ice and drinks. When we have people over, we can use it for plants. We can use it for little fire tablescape things. We can use it for almost anything, and so can you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and like below, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.